So the whole area here, this county of Genpian was quite dry, and the whole floor was very dry when we arrived. I already saw that in the plane when we arrived here, and right now it's raining. As you see, it already started yesterday. It was raining a lot. Actually, the day before yesterday it started, and comes and goes, which is not so great for our photos and our trips that we plan. But we want to go to Wudang Shan today, which is a very important place for Daoist culture. It's also a tourism spot, and we want to check it out. It's I think also one of the places where Lao Tzu lived back in the days. At least that's what I've been told, and it's hard to find a lot of information on that online. I tried to read a little bit on Wikipedia yesterday, but maybe I will do so later on again. Yao Bo, 你好. Am I wasting your precious sun?
Yeah.
For a good photo?
Yeah.
So where are we now, Leslie? You're the tour guide. Wudang Shan. Wudang Shan is one mountain. Here are many mountains. You sure we are on the Wudang Shan?
Yeah.
I think Wudang Shan is the name of many mountains, actually. Yeah. Okay. So this is a temple. What is it about? Then how about we go inside and have a look?
You're not supposed to take a lot of video there.
I know. You don't have to take a video there, but you can still go inside and take a look. 给我拍什么？给我拍个照片吗？ So now I have to decide which camera. Huh? Okay. So it's already in the evening. We took a longer ride with the car today to Wudang Shan. And tomorrow we will climb the mountain. And let's see if we can get some good shots today.
No climbing cable car.
So Wudang Shan is regarded as the center of Neigong, the inner Kung Fu, inner martial arts. There's a story I read about a monk who saw a crane trying to eat a snake, and this snake dodged all his attacks one by one. And after a while, the crane gave up, and which is, in a way, the story of how Tai Chi works, like a gentle way of martial arts, defensive way. And I like the story, and knowing these things, it's really interesting to come here. Remember, I told you about the crane who was trying to eat the snake. So it seems we have one right here. No, you're a dragon. 你是龙属的。 Long da. Huh? You want me to take photos all the time, but I'm taking videos. No chance. Okay, here I am. Still at Wudang Shan. I stood up early today to make some videos with my drone, and let's see later if they're usable or not. As you can see, we have a quite foggy day, so there's no chance to get nice landscape aerial shots. Also, I need to repair one wing of my drone. Flying that thing is harder than I thought, and it seems the humid conditions today also were not really favorable for it. Anyway, so now we're gonna have breakfast, and then we will drive. We will take the bus to the cable car. Yes. So Leslie's parents are really kind to me. Oh, have a look, what's that? Some spider webs across the way overnight. So they bought me even this suit here, this Kung Fu kind of outfit. That's funny. We had the clouds all around us, and now we are nearly at the mountain station, and suddenly we have blue sky. So it seems we're above the cloud level, and that's why we have good sky, blue sky suddenly. And now we have these beautiful cloudy landscapes. Look at that. Amazing. Les, where are we going?
To the Golden Palace.
Okay. Is that on the top of the mountain or where?
Nah.
Oh, pretty much on the top it seems. Okay. Let's go. A golden lizard. Very small actually. Hard to take a video of it. Oh. We walked up this long stairs here. And the lizard was waiting for us as a reward. Okay, so we have been up on the peak. It was very crowded, a lot of people, so not much time for taking videos. And it's low season, Leslie says, so even more at other seasons. And now we're on the way back down, but apparently the way down has also a lot of steep stairs upwards. As you can see in the mountains in China, you always have these stairs here, which you don't have at all in Europe. It's in a way good because people can hold the fence on the sides, but it's a little bad because you have to walk the same steps all the time and you're squeezing yourself a little bit with other people. Okay, I think about 2 more hours, then we will arrive at our hotel and we can drive back. Good day so far. No words. Can you believe that? It's told me we have to get up there. Leslie's brother is already very exhausted and cursing why we still have such a long way to go. Look at that. Such a nice place. So yesterday we've been to this temple area up there, and this is also where I have been flying my drone yesterday. So let's see how much more beautiful spots we can find. So there's a statue of Lao Tzu, who is on the cow leaving the country. That's the picture that is on many paintings, and behind it are the mountains. Hi guys. That's mine though. He grabbed the whole bag. Our